If you're studying HSC Physics and you're aiming for 90 plus ATAR and a Band 6 in Physics, what I'm about to share with you will change the way you see the subject entirely. Most students think physics is hard because it's conceptually difficult or they're just not a physics person. But that's not true. Physics only feels hard when you're taught to memorize formulas without actually understanding why they work. And then you're expected to apply them in completely unfamiliar exam questions. Think about this. You revise a topic, you feel okay in class, then the assessment comes and the questions look nothing like what you've practiced. The gap between I studied this and I can actually do an exam question is where most students lose marks. And it's not your fault. Most students are taught what to learn, but they don't understand physics deeply or how to approach a physics problem under exam pressure. That's exactly why we created Accelerate HSC, a results-driven accelerated HSC physics program that isn't just another tuition class that reteaches content or solves textbook questions. We've taught students like Daniel, who started Year 12 Physics doubting whether he could even pass physics but went on to Band 6 HSC Physics. Or like Eddie, who joined us when he was averaging 50% but now hasn't dropped a single mark below 90% for 3 straight exams. And it's not because they suddenly became geniuses, but it's because they learnt the right framework. Now imagine this, you walk into your next physics exam calm. You read a question and instead of panicking, you know exactly where to start. Even if the question looks unfamiliar, you trust your process because you've trained for this exact scenario. That's the difference between studying harder and studying smarter. So if you're serious about maximizing your HSC Physics marks and giving yourself a real competitive advantage, click the link below to join Accelerate HSC today, but don't wait because spots are limited and they fill out quick. So I'll see you on the inside and I'm keen to work with you to get that Band 6.